Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to set a password in Warpath Ace Shooter. To set a password in Warpath, launch open the Warpath Ace Shooter application on your device, and then once you're in the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left. This will open up the profile, and then now go ahead and tap on the options button at the bottom right. From the options menu, tap on accounts. Inside account info section, scroll all the way down until you find the more button and then tap on it. Now you will see an option that says set password. Tap on that, and then on the next page, you'll first need to verify your email. Wait for a verification code that will be sent automatically on your email inbox. Once you receive that, type it down in the text box at the top. Once you are done, head over to the next field and create a password and click on submit. Right after you do that, you will then be able to reset your game, and now you have successfully set a password for your account. If you already have an account, then after following this step, you can also change to a new password if necessary. So that was how you can easily set password on your Warpath Ace Shooter game. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.